Alien bases on the moon actually exist. Ever since NASA's Apollo missions, conspiracy theorists have claimed there are secret bases on the moon built by humans or aliens. Marco, a 12-year-old space fanatic, was determined to reveal the truth. On a school field trip to a space museum, Marco slipped away unnoticed to sneak into an employees-only area. He came across classified NASA documents discussing strange structures on the moon. Marco quickly took photos before a guard spotted him. Back home, Marco studied the leaked photos showing weird dome-like buildings on the moon's surface. He became convinced NASA was hiding secret lunar bases from the public. With only a week left before school started, Marco knew he had to act fast. That night, Marco grabbed his dad's amateur telescope and pointed it towards the full moon. Adjusting the focus, he could vaguely make out mysterious shapes moving around. Marco gasped as he saw a human-like figure standing outside one dome, waving its arms. Suddenly, the telescope slipped and pointed at a bright object flying through the sky. Marco realized it was a spacecraft orbiting the moon. Without warning, the ship fired a beam of light towards Marco before quickly flying out of sight. The next day, Marco told his friends about the bases and spacecraft he discovered on the moon, but they laughed at his wild imagination. Even Marco's dad said it was just blurry reflections in the telescope lens, but Marco knew what he saw was real. He made it his mission to one day travel to the moon himself and prove to the world that secret lunar bases existed. What other mind-blowing discoveries were waiting up there? Marco was determined to uncover the truth hidden on the dark side of the moon. Follow or subscribe for part 2.